Watching a loved one being healthy to being very, very sick, you realize what's important. My name is Curtis Wilson. I work in the Outpatient Service Center at Kent. I got into the profession of phlebotomy because I wanted an introduction into the healthcare career field. And when I looked at some of the different things to go into, it just interests me. It's kind of difficult to talk about, but my first wife, who passed of breast cancer, she had a lot of doctor's appointments and obviously there was just different things that she went through, that we went through together, that made me want to do more. If I can make a patient smile or laugh, that is a really rewarding feeling, because they're here, they're sick, and some of the patients don't have family members that come in, and if you can come in and treat them like a mother or a brother or a sister or so on, that's a very rewarding feeling. When I go home, I feel like I've done something, and I appreciate that I'm able to work for Bay Health because it matters, helping people, it matters. The kids, my children, that made me who I am today, There are a lot of things that I look back on and think, wow. Knowing that my kids lost their mom when one was 6 and one was 11, and they're 2 college graduates, and if I hadn't told you their mom died, you would never know because they're just normal adults now. My wife, Victoria, she was in the military for 21 years in the Air Force. She currently works at the Air National Guard Base in Newcastle. She's a resource advisor there. My youngest, Isaiah, is 11, and he's very involved in sports and loves to draw and do anything that a boy does. As a family, I think we're homebodies. We like to watch TV, just movies, play games. Our journey, there were lots of doctors and nurses and phlebotomists and different techs that touched all of us. And I wanted to be that guy who touched somebody else. And I think here at Bay Health, I'm that guy.